Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to add stickers on Discord Mobile. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Discord stickers. In here, scroll down and go to stickers.gg. Tap on the website. Once you tap on it, wait for it to finish loading. Once you are here, use the search bar. And then, here, you can choose what sticker genre you want to use. Once you have chosen your genre of sticker, you can now upload it over to Discord if you have Discord Nitro. In here, tap on a sticker and then click on Download. After downloading, you will need to upload this in your user settings in your Discord Nitro. I don't have Discord Nitro, so I won't be able to do it, but if you have it, it should be a piece of cake for you. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.